So quick one, I want to show you how you can reset your uh oil service. It's a lot of time that people don't do this, but it's good that whenever you do servicing, you should do this. So because this a smart key vehicle, I say it's like a button to start. What we just need to do, you don't need to, you know, press the brake, just start your vehicle and that starts, right? So and the dashboard will come up. So you see this particular button here. Uh, so now it's perfect. So you see this particular button here. You see what they wrote there, odometer. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Let me zoom in. So that's odometer. Because I just clicked on this place, you see trip A, you see trip B, and of course the odometer is not going to go away, right? It's not going to go away at all. So what you need to do is, if you want to clear this, you just go to your trip A and you click that. You hold that button down, then switch off the engine or switch off the start button. Then while holding that on, you don't leave it, right? You turn it on again, right? So let me quickly do that. So I need you to pay attention to what is in trip A. You see, that's about uh 33,000, blah 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 blah. So let me quickly do that. You see, the instruction is hold down this particular button. Just hold it down. Then while that is done, uh switch off the car. While still holding it down, turn on the car again, and you see that will disappear. So let's quickly do that.